Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to delete WhatsApp group. First of all, open up WhatsApp. After that, navigate to the group you want to delete. Once you are in the group, tap on the group name at the top of the chat. This will take you to the group info screen. As the group admin, you will need to remove all members from the group one by one. To do this, scroll down and tap on the member's name and select remove. From pop-up, tap on OK. Again, same process is repeat for another member. Tap on it and tap remove. From pop-up, tap OK. Once you have removed all members, you will need to exit the group yourself. To do this, tap exit group. From pop-up, tap on exit. After exiting the group, select delete group. From pop-up, tap on delete group. Please remember that when you delete a group, it cannot be undone. All chat, story, media and other information associated with the group will be permanently removed from your device. Always consider the implication before deleting a group. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.